Hello students, I am Anita Rao, Assistant Professor in English at Government College, Hasol. And today my topic is Lajja, written by Taslima Nasreen. We all know about who is Taslima Nasreen. Taslima Nasreen is an award-winning Bangladeshi writer who is born on 25th August 1962. She known as a passionate writings for women and her some of books are banned in Bangladesh. She started writing at the age of 14. Her writings popular across the border of West Bengal, and she got Anand Purushkar in 1992. After leaving Bangladesh in 1994, Taslima has lived in India, Europe and United States. She has written more than 30 books, including poems, novels, essays. Her works have been translated into 20 Indian languages and European languages. Lajja by Taslima Nasreen was first published in Bengali in 1993. The word Lajja means shame. According to the author, she wrote this book as a response to anti-Hindu riots that erupted in parts of Bangladesh after the demolition of Babri Masjid in India on 6th of December in 1992. The book subtly indicates that communal feelings were on the rise. The Hindus minority of the Bangladesh was not fairly treated and secularism was under shadow. More than 50,000 copies of the novel were sold in 6 months after its publication, although the author had to flee her country Bangladesh when she began to got death threats from several fundamentalist Islamic organization. Nasreen dedicated the book to the people, the Indian subcontinental, beginning the text with the words, "Let another name for religion be humanism." The novel is preceded by a preface and chronology of events. The novel begins with the description of Babri Masjid in Ayodhya in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India on 6th of December 1992. Nasreen portrays the horrendous and horrifying experience of a minority family, the Dattas, Sudhamoy, Kiranmoy and their two children, Suranjan and Maya, who have to face so many trials and tribulations, cares and anxieties, insult and abuse without any rhyme and reason, just only because of their Hindu identity. In Bangladesh, just only because of Sudhamoy and atheist beliefs with a native mix of optimism and idealism that his motherland will not let him down, just only because they don't want to evacuate that country they loved so much, just only because they have an ardent desire to show respect and sympathy to all religion. Let's talk about the summary of Lajja. Author highlights the flight of a Hindu family in Dhaka after the Babri Masjid brought down in Ayodhya in India. The Dattas are highly determined to stay in the country despite other Hindu who have gradually moved out to India. Maya, the daughter, leaves for refugee in her Muslim friend's house. Soon they are getting news from all around about Hindu persecution in Bangladesh. Yet Sudha Moy, the patriarch, wants to stay. Suranjan, the son, often wanders the streets to an unknown feeling of contempt from the Muslim majority society around him. Information is still continued to come from all sides about Hindu persecution. There is a communal violence despite peace marches from different parties taking place. One day, some young Muslim man entered their home, destroy it, and abduct Maya, who has returned. This changes the mind of Suranjan, who starts becoming more Hindu, who then changes his outlook towards the conflict, getting more agitated. Let's talk about the main characters or major characters in this novel. There are four major characters. First is Sudha Moy, Kiran Moy, Suranjan, and Maya. Sudha Moy, the patriarch, who has fought for the liberation and many pro-Bengali movements and a staunch patriot. Kiran Moy, she is wife of Sudha Moy, and who is extremely devoted to him and support her family as much as she can. Suranjan, the son, who is unemployed but is prominent figure in the local politician scene, who is rethinking his identity as a Bangladeshi throughout the novel, becoming more Hindu in the process. Maya, the young daughter who wants to stay safe and will do anything to do so, even changing house holds to ensure her securing in a violent Bangladesh. There is theme in this novel is suppression, home, resistance, communalism, religion, patriotism. Lajja is a book that is both fiction and reality, cleverly bound together. It shows the transition of Bangladesh from being a secular country to one having a large budget to promote Islam. It shows it effortlessly through the Datta's viewpoint and brings up its fiction. Fiction highlights through visceral events that takes place in the later stage of the book. It portrays communalism for what it's truly, its deadly factual evidence in the book. It's make it more relatable and yet more scary overall, worthy of a fatwa and a ban.